Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Java and we need to download two 2-bit. The first thing is GDK or Java Development Kit. So we can search on Google and download the GDK. And the second thing that we need to download is Eclipse. Eclipse is the IDE that I will use in my tutorial. However, you can use NetBeans or any text editor. So bear in mind that we need to download GDK, not GRE. GDK is a stand for Java Development Kit and GRE is for Java Runtime. There are so many versions of GDK, but we are interested in the standard edition or SE. I'm not going to explain how to install the GDK because it's very easy and doesn't need any explanation. And we need to download Eclipse as well. There are many versions. I'm using 64-bit Windows. Then you can choose the mirror, then download it, then install it. After you install both of them, we still need to change the environment variable. So search for environment, my password. A second. Okay, then from here we need to change the environment variables. As you can see, I already added. It's if it's not here, you can add a new and then type path, and then don't forget the GDK pin folder, which is the folder that you install GDK in. But as you can see from here, it's called C programs file Java GDK and then PIN. If there are many programs that you need to that need to use the path, it might be separated by semicolon. So for example, this was one. If I only have the GDK, I don't need this bit. But because I use the path for Vim as well, so I need to have it, the semicolon and the Vim. But if you only have one, you don't need the semicolon, so it's until here. Okay, then press OK. In some computers you need to restart or reboot, and others you don't need to reboot. But to check if it's working or not, you need to put cmd and then type Java C. If you find the following, then it's working. If you find all of this bit, then it's working. Okay, so let's run Eclipse right now and begin our first Java thingy. Over here we need to choose the workspace. I'll keep it as default because I already opened it over here. So okay, after we open Eclipse, you might have another screen. However, we are interested in File, then New, and Make Java Project. I'm going to name my project as HelloWorld. Then we need to press Finish. Okay, as you can see right now, we have HelloWorld.java. Okay. Any Java program should have a class. So all of these things that are already typed in are the basic of Java, the thing that you should write in any class of Java or in any file in Java or in any program in Java. So I'm not going to explain everything over here, but this thing is a comment. So anything between 2 forward slashes is a comment. So I can write anything and it's not part of my program, so we can remove this auto-generated method. And to print something on a screen in Java, you need to type system.out.println, and then let's type hello world. Okay, so let's try it. You can run it from here, or you can save it first then run it. And as you can see, the output is hello world. So as I said before, any program in Java should have a class. So over here we are declaring a class. A class should be named as the file name. So if the file name is helloworld.java, Java is an extension, so the class name should be hello world. If you change the class name, then you should change the file name as well. And this thing over here is the main method. So any part of our code is in methods, or is in a method. So this is the main method. The main method basically is when JVM or Java Virtual Machine or the compiler is searching on your program, the first thing that it will compile is the main method. So let's imagine I have more than one method, and as I said, the method is a piece of code. It will run first the main method. So over here, public static void, all of this chunk is the same as always is the same. Public static void main, and then over here string and args. I'm not going to explain it right now what all of this means, because a little bit difficult to explain from on the first tutorial. However, this thing over here, system.out.print, is printing on the screen, as we can see from the output. So this is my first Java tutorial, and see you in the next tutorial.